Lumens, your reliable partner. This video shows you how to use the wireless DCW80 with an internet-connected PC. This video is divided into 4 parts. Let's start with the equipment you need. You will need a Wi-Fi-enabled PC or laptop and a DCW80. You will need to download the Ladybug 4K software from the Lumens website. Step 2. First, you need to install the software on your PC. Go to mylumens.com and click Download and search Ladybug 4K. Now go ahead and install the software. Next, change mode on the web interface. If you need help connecting your DCW80 to your PC, please click on the link below to watch our step-by-step instructions. Then open the Ladybug software and click Settings. When you access the web page, please log into the unit. Next, select the Wi-Fi Settings tab and switch to Client mode. You can choose the network you want to use. Please make sure your PC and DCW80 are both connected to the same Wi-Fi network. After changing mode, go back to the Ladybug 4K software and select the wireless function. Now click the refresh button to find the new IP address of the DCW80. You can now log into the camera and start using it. Step 4. Verification. As you can see, when the wireless function is set, you can use the DCW80 and access the internet at the same time. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical experts at any time. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.